Hi folks, welcome to another video. This is going to be a very quick one. I want to talk about safety, and this is genuinely actually true. I've just been doing some cutting and I've just knocked my grinder on the floor. Now that disc looks safe, you know, it looks still intact. I don't know whether it's actually touched the floor or not, but I don't care. I am unplugged before you even start in the comments. I'm literally just going to take this off. Snap it. I don't know whether that hit the floor or not. And if that's spinning at 23,000 RPM and that lets go, you know, my life is worth more than that disc. So a proper safety tip for you. You know, if you don't know, snap it. You know, don't just throw it in the bin, because one day you'll come back, or somebody will come back. You know, they might see that on the top of the bin and go, "Oh, that's a decent disc." No, snap it in half. You can't use that again. Then you can't take the risk. So that's my little rant for today. My little safety tip. I hope you like this video. All the rest of the stuff, you know, subscribe, notification bell, and everything else. Catch you later. Bye.